In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a row in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're tidying up your data or just looking for a way to make everything look a bit more polished, adjusting the row height can make a huge difference in how your spreadsheet appears. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Google Sheet. Make sure you have your document in front of you, and you'll be ready to go. Once you have it open, the next thing you need to do is locate the row number on the left side of your screen. This is the area where all your rows are listed sequentially. It's an important aspect since it helps you target exactly where you want to resize. Now take your mouse and hover it over the bottom border of the row number that you're interested in resizing. As you do this, keep an eye out for the cursor to change into a resize arrow. This little visual cue lets you know that you can now click and drag that row border. Once you see this arrow, click and begin dragging the border up or down. This manual method is perfect if you want to resize your row on the fly and get an immediate visual understanding of how your adjustment looks. Simply release the mouse button when you're happy with the new row height. If you're finding manual resizing a tad tricky, or if you need a specific measurement, there's another way. Instead of dragging, right-click on the row number of the row you want to adjust. You'll see a context menu pop up. This is your friend for precision resizing. Find and click on the option labeled Resize Row. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to enter an exact height for the row in pixels. This feature is extremely useful when you're working with specific formatting needs or when uniform row sizes are important for consistency in your spreadsheet presentation. After you've keyed in the exact height, go ahead and click OK. This finalizes the row resizing process, applying the new height to your selected row. And just like that, you're done. It's as simple as can be, and now your data should look exactly how you want it. And that's how you resize a row in Google Sheets on desktop. It's a small adjustment, but it can greatly enhance the readability and professional appearance of your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy spreadsheet editing!